So guys, last class we completed about email studio in marketing cloud. We have another studio which is called as mobile studio, which is very simple like email studio only. The concepts and all are very similar. Like from marketing cloud, you can send emails, you can send SMS as well. Not normal SMS, data driven dynamic SMS. The way you created email, the similar way you can create SMS as well. Mobile Studio provides three ways to communicate using mobile: mobile connect, mobile push, and group connect. When you want to send SMS or MMS, then you use mobile connect. When you want to send messages on third party messaging APIs, apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, you use group connect. And when you deliver a push notification, then you use mobile push option of marketing cloud. Push notifications are very interactive way to communicate with people in the market. Nowadays every companies are following app based strategy, and they are delivering push notifications to market their products and services, offers, or whatever thing they want to do, they can easily do via push notifications. If you open your mobile, you will see a lot of push notifications sent by apps which is available or which can be seen on your that notification section of your mobile. So all these are the types of communications which comes under mobile studio and are sent by marketing cloud. Why mobile studio, why not email studio, or why we have another channel to send communications? If you are doing marketing, you are sending emails. On top of it, people are also sending this market mobile communications as well. Why they are not only relying on email? Because email has less conversion rate. Conversion rate means you send one email suppose to 100 people, you will get only 20-30 people opening your email. Not everybody will open your email. Next time you send, next time again 20-30% open rate you will get. Emails are cheap and very detailed way of communication, but as they are cheap, they have higher affordability. Companies can afford emails easily than mobile. If you are a startup having front crunches, you can easily have email functionality for your company to market. But having mobile functionality will take extra cost because mobile comes with a dedicated phone line. Suppose you want to have a phone, you want to send SMS to people, and that is not one to one SMS, that is a bulk commercial SMS. You should be getting license, you should be getting dedicated phone line. The vendors will charge a lot. You want to enroll a phone line of AT&T, Vodafone, they will charge a lot to send, for you to send commercial SMS. Suppose you want to deliver a push notification, for that you must be having app. Cost of application development is high. You want to send bulk SMS to Facebook messengers, WhatsApp, WeChat, there also cost is involved, because when you use these applications for commercial purpose, there is a separate license and a separate cost charged by Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever company's app is. You can use it for personal use, but when you are going to utilize them for commercial use, there is extra cost involved. Mobile comes with huge extra cost, but the benefit of mobile is whatever communication you send from mobile sits on top of your mobile's notification center. The moment you open your phone, unlock your phone, you can see notifications piled up. You can easily view those notifications, or even if you don't read, They are short, crisp. You will be able to understand which company has sent the communication. Company can have visibility in your eyes easily, just sending push notification, SMS or WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger messages, and it is okay for them to create a brand value in your eyes. But emails, they are having higher affordability. Suppose you sent email and customer delayed to open that email 5, 10, 15 minutes, because immediately nobody will open the email. If there is a delay from customer side to open that email, then you will find that more 5, 10 emails are piled up on his inbox section or inside its inbox on top of your email, making less likely for a customer to open your particular email. But emails you cannot neglect are detailed way of communications. You can send 100 to 200, 500 words of email, attachment, graphics, a lot of things you can send, but nobody reads a message of 1,000 words. SMS can't be of 1,000 words. Push notification can't be of 1,000 words. WhatsApp message, it would be boring to send a message of 1,000 words. All these are the instant messaging apps. All these require short messages to be sent more than a detailed message. So email has its own significance. Mobile communications has their own significance. But mobiles are more reliable than emails because they have higher open rates. Engagement rates are high for mobile communications than emails. Because of the engagement rate, companies prefer to choose mobile as well, so that they can keep a brand value in the eye of the customer. Every day they can send push notification messages or whatever mobile communication they want to send, and they would be staying in touch with you. You also know about that brand easily because every day you are receiving promotional communications, and it is okay for them to afford this much cost for mobile because it is helping them to stay in mind of the people. So guys, from marketing cloud we can send multiple communications in mobile, but this demo account is a demo account. You can't integrate any paid license. Like if you want to send WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, you have to get their apps APIs, paid APIs, or you can say paid license, which comes with huge cost, which we cannot bear. If you want to send SMS, MMS, you have to integrate a phone line of Vodafone, AT&T, or whosoever the service provider. That also comes with huge cost, which we can't afford. To send push notifications, you should be having a full-fledged working Android or iOS application, which we can't develop now. So this mobile studio, apart from integration of these applications, is is having the same concept as email studio we will try to see today. From mobile studio you can send SMS and MMS. These both sits in the inbox section of your phone. While you send SMS or MMS, these are short messaging or multi messaging services. Hardly they would be up to 160 characters. Short messaging services like SMS will not contain any multimedia. You would have never seen any SMS with images, songs, MP4, MP3 music, and different GIFs. The SMS is short, crisp, and without any multimedia which is sent. I'm talking about SMS, not WhatsApp message. SMS, you can't send any multimedia. On the other hand, MMS can support multimedia. Earlier were the days when MMS was used, but nowadays MMS are replaced by WhatsApp messengers, Facebook messengers, because they provide better option to send multimedias than MMS. So guys, like you sent emails from Marketing Cloud to send emails, you used from name and from email, which is a sender profile. A sender profile is a profile which is used to send emails from name from email. Similarly, in order to send SMS, you require from name and from code. From code are nothing but the short code and long code which you use to send communication. If you want to send domestic SMSs, you can use short code. You open your inbox and you will see that SMS came or are present in your mobile from short code. Short code like EX-56775. This is a short code. You will find plenty of short codes in your inbox section. When the SMS is sent by a domestic company to the domestic audience, then they use short code. On the other hand, there are companies using long code which are international in nature and is of a size of phone number. Companies like Microsoft, Google, all these are the big players having operations worldwide uses long code. If you want to experience long code, you can go and click on forgot password on Microsoft or Google and request SMS or a call back. You will receive SMS or call back from the international number. So these long codes are international in nature, short codes are domestic in nature. When you purchase license from a vendor to send commercial SMS, they will give you either short code or long code based on your national or international requirements. Short codes and long codes are to be obtained from the company, from the vendor you want to enroll. And this is an important question, difference between short code and long code in the interview. Then emails, if you send, do not alert the inbox, or maximum emails do not alert the inbox. They are delivered silently without disturbing a person. But the same case is not with SMS or push notification or WhatsApp message. Whenever these messages are sent, these alert a mobile phone and notification sits on the top of the phone, which may not be good after certain time because every day after 7 or 8 p.m. person is having his private time with his family or is within his own comfort zone. He don't or he doesn't get or wants to be disturbed by commercial messages. There are certain inopportune times which you cannot send communications to customers. For example, after 8 p.m., before 8 p.m., this 12-hour window is a private time of a person to enjoy with his family or whosoever is his loved ones. There should not be any commercial messages alerting him. There should not be any message sent 40% off sale at 2 a.m. in the morning. It may trigger panic among customers. You cannot send SMS or WhatsApp message at 1 a.m. in the morning providing any commercial information. So, guys, blackout window is a concept where you restrict sending of SMS after a certain period of time. You can set an interval which would be a blackout window. That means within that interval, if any SMS, MMS is sent, it is stopped immediately and subscriber won't receive. So blackout window is a concept in Marketing Cloud which avoids you sending communication at inopportune time. All these are the terminologies you have to learn because these will be asked in the interviews. After blackout window, we have one more small concept in mobile studio, which is keywords. Keywords are nothing but the words which your customers replies back to your SMS to obtain certain information. Like nowadays, there is an era of mobile banking, net banking. You can easily log into your bank's website or a web portal and request your balance, check your balance. But if you go 4 5 years back, technology was not that advanced. Still, people used to request their updated balance, typing BAL followed by last four digits of account number and send to 57575 or any short code given by a company. In return, company or the bank used to send updated balance. If you would have your bank account, you could have got your balance just typing BAL keyword followed by last four digits. Not only balance, you want to subscribe for a service. Earlier, mobiles were there, caller tunes were there. Nowadays, caller tunes can be set within the mobile application of that particular service provider. Like Vodafone has application, Airtel has application in India from where you can set the caller tunes. But earlier there were no such application concepts. The technology was still evolving. So how you used to set your caller tunes? Just SMS caller tune, last four or five digits of the song you want to set, and SMS to a particular short code. In return, your caller tune was set. You have booked a flight, you want to get the current status of the flight. You can request your PNR number to a certain code and they will send you the status. So, guys, these are the keywords which your customers use to interact with your brand. You can set keywords so that customers can find information easily from your brand. There are some default keywords which are already provided by Salesforce. These are stop, quit, cancel, and unsubscribe. These default keywords, when sent by the customers, automatically unsubscribes that customers from the system. These default keywords, when sent by the customer, automatically unsubscribes the customer. Like you can unsubscribe a customer in email, the same way customers can be unsubscribed from mobile. Just replying the SMS or replying to the vendor, they don't want to receive any future communication. They can reply with stop, quit, cancel, and unsubscribe, and they would be unsubscribed. Now, guys, in order to send SMS, there should be some prerequisites. Like there were prerequisites while sending emails. Those were the data extension should be sendable. Email should contain subscriber key. Send relation should be there. Email should contain email address with email address data type. You should be storing email of a subscriber within email address data type. All these were the prerequisites for emails. Similarly, we have prerequisites for SMS. Prerequisites for SMS are there should be the subscriber and it should have a subscriber key, because a person who is not your subscriber can't be sent emails. While there is a subscriber key, instead of email address, you want to deliver SMS, you should be having his phone number. Phone number should be stored in a phone data type field. Also, it is mandatory to maintain his country. So country is maintained in local data type field. Why it is mandatory to maintain a country? Because you get short codes and long codes. Short codes are domestic, long codes are international. It is important to store country of a subscriber so that short codes country matches with subscribers country, then only SMS would be sent. The same case is not with emails. So guys, prerequisites we have to take care so that we can send SMS. Data extension must be sendable. It should only contain one phone field. It should contain only one country local data type field, and subscriber relationship should be there. So guys, let's check if our data extension is compliant to send SMS or not. Let's check if our data extension is compliant to send SMS. We'll log into Marketing Cloud. So we'll go to Email Studio, emails, and see where are their data extensions. So we have B5 subscriber profile in which we have these many attributes. The first thing is the data extension should contain subscriber key. We have it should contain one phone field with phone data type. Phone field with phone data type we are compliant. It should have a country field. We have a country field with local data type. And if you cross verify the local data type, you find that country is of local data type. So in the very beginning of creation of our data model, we created the data extension which is compliant to both emails and SMS. You have to understand what are the prereq for emails and what are the prereqs for SMS in order to send communication. Now, guys, as we have data extensions ready, we have to build SMS, push notifications, and all other types of communications within Marketing Cloud. The same way you created email, the same way you have to create these two communications as well. Just duplicate this Marketing Cloud window. We have content builder option, guys. This content builder can be used to create any content in Marketing Cloud. Like we created email. Email is also a content can be created from here. We created content from Email Studio, but that content can only be created for emails. If you want to create content for mobile, SMS, and all other topics, then you have a different content builder. Inside content builder, you have content builder where you can create any type of marketing cloud communications. Here you will find SMS, push notification functionality, everything integrated. Let's go to our let's go to our content option. So this batch 5 content email we already created. Okay. The same invoice which we have created via email, guys, you have to send via SMS. The same invoice which you have created e- via email, you have to send via SMS. Because when a transaction happens, both emails and SMS are sent simultaneously. So what we will do, in order to create SMS, we will go to our folder, we click on create option, and you have SMS messages here. Click on SMS message. SMS can be created the same way emails are created, but SMS will not support multimedia. Left hand side is a box where you can write SMS. Right hand side you will see SMS getting printed. You can use a personalization strings inside this. I percent first name the same way you have used in emails. Once you have used AMP script or personalization string, you have subscriber preview option. Subscriber preview can be done for both emails, SMS, push notifications, or any dynamic content. So we have subscriber profile data extension, which we can preview and see. First name resolved into F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. Similarly, guys, the same invoice which we created can be easily created in this SMS. Just we have to take care to remove the multimedia. Like this was the AMP script. We can copy this AMP script and paste it here. Plus, we can copy all these things. We can copy this, paste it here. We can copy everything and paste it here. We can paste it here. Once we have pasted, We can go and generate a subscriber preview, and you will see that whatever we created inside email, the same type of invoice is created in the SMS. Thank you for purchasing with Amazon product t-shirt quantity to color black size XL total bill this much. So you don't have to do any other thing. You can easily create it within the SMS section, the same code which you have created for email. What I mean to say is SMS emails both supports the same concept of retrieving data from system. The same AMP script can be used here. So if you are okay with subscriber preview, you can save this SMS as B5SMS and save it. Not only SMS, guys, you can create push notifications as well. You can create push notifications as well. You can click on create option. You have mobile app and you can have push notifications. Push notifications are also created the same way. In Marketing Cloud, push notifications can be sent on iPhone, Android, or Apple Watches. On iPhone, Android, or Apple Watches, you have different screens which you can look for a push notification. The same message we will keep here. Okay. The same message we will keep here, and we will try to generate a subscriber preview for push notifications as well. We will try to generate a subscriber preview for push notifications as well. So you see that this is the push notification sent on iPhone, and this is viewed on lock screen. You want to see how it is looked on long press, you can do it. You can see on how it will look on alert, you can do it. You can see how it will look as a banner. You can change and view the banner option. Then you have Android phone. You have this on lock screen. You can change and click on shade and a different view would be appearing. You can also send push notifications to Apple Watch like this. Like this, you can have a view. So, guys, from Marketing Cloud, not only emails, you can send SMS and push notifications. You have to integrate mobile application for push notifications to send SMS, MMS. You have to get short code, long code. But designing of communication is the same, would be similar to what we have done inside email. SMS can also be data driven dynamic. Push notifications can also be data driven dynamic. You can create everything within Marketing Cloud.